students, welcome to ChemShow. Today we are discussing the most relevant topic in thermochemistry, that is standard state. That is, we are doing so many problems connected with this topic, so it's very important. So if you have any doubts regarding this portion, you can ask in the comment section. I am giving answers for you, and in my coming videos I am explaining the remaining portion, that is enthalpy of reaction, that is reaction enthalpy, and classification of enthalpy of reaction into different categories. That is enthalpy of, first one is the enthalpy of formation or standard enthalpy of formation. I am discussing both, that is enthalpy of formation and standard enthalpy of formation. And next one, second one, the enthalpy of combustion and standard enthalpy of combustion. And third one, enthalpy of neutralization and the standard enthalpy of neutralization. What do you mean by standard enthalpy of neutralization and how can it be represented? And next one, fourth one, that is enthalpy of dissociation of weak acids and bases. That is for weak acids and bases. Enthalpy of formation of weak acids and bases. And last one, that is the enthalpy of solution. That is a heat change regarding with the solution. The last fifth category is the enthalpy of solution. That is, it is divided into two. That is integral enthalpy of solution and differential enthalpy of solution. That is the final classification, that is the enthalpy of solution. So in this video I am discussing only what is the standard state and what is it referred to. Okay, that is standard state, that is the pure form of a substance at 1 bar pressure. The standard condition is 1 bar pressure or 1 atmospheric pressure and at 25 degree Celsius. That is 1 bar pressure or 1 atmospheric pressure at 25 degrees. That is standard state means the pure form of a substance at 1 bar pressure and 25 degrees Celsius. The standard state of a substance means what? That is the most stable physical state. Standard state of a substance, standard state of a particular substance is the most stable state. That is it is the most stable physical state. That is the most stable physical state of a substance. That is standard state means it is the most stable physical state of that particular substance. Let us take one example, that is water. The standard state of water at 25 degrees Celsius and 1 bar pressure is, that is H2O is in liquid state. As we all know that water is a liquid. Okay, that is the standard state of water at 25 degrees Celsius and 1 bar pressure is liquid form. Whereas at a temperature above 100 degrees Celsius, that is at a temperature above 100 degrees Celsius, which is the physical form of water, that is H2O, which is the physical form of H2O, that is the state is gaseous state, that is the water is in gaseous state, that is water exists in gas form. That is the standard state of water at 25 degrees Celsius and 1 bar pressure. It is the water at 25 degrees Celsius and 1 bar pressure. 1 bar pressure is a standard state of that particular substance, that is water exists in liquid state. At standard condition, the water exists in liquid form. That is the standard state of that particular substance, that is water. Okay. That is, for any thermodynamic quantity, the standard state is represented by writing prefix, that is prefix term to a particular thermodynamic variable. Suppose we can take one condition, one thermodynamic variable, that is enthalpy change. This is the enthalpy change. Hence, the standard enthalpy of a reaction can be represented by putting a superscript here. Okay. If it is Gibbs energy change, Gibbs free energy change, that is delta G. The standard Gibbs free energy change is represented by putting a superscript like this. Okay. Here we discussed the standard state. That is, standard state of a substance at a specified temperature is its pure form at 1 bar pressure and at 25 degrees Celsius. That is for all substances. The most stable physical state is considered as a standard state of that particular substance. The standard thermodynamic quantity can be represented like this, that is a superscript symbol, that is delta H0, delta G0. This is the representation for standard enthalpy change and standard Gibbs free energy change. This is a representation, and for every particular substance, for all substance, the most stable physical state is the standard state. That is, one of the examples is the liquid. That is, one of the examples is the water. That is, water at standard state exists as liquid. Okay, that standard state means 1 bar pressure and 25 degrees Celsius. Okay. So let us wind up the section. Thank you.